What's good, and good morning from Canada. Hope you're doing well. So we're going to go over Polygon, guys. Matic, we're sitting at $1.98. We're up 15% on the day, and we're down 9%. We had that rollover that we talked about in yesterday's video. So the market cap is sitting at 12 billion, and the 24-hour volume is 5.09 billion. So we're going to hop straight into the technical analysis here. So we can see here, we talked about that double top pattern forming, and that's exactly what happened, and we broke downwards. So you can measure. So here's your top, and here's your second top, and you can measure to the peak of your candle here, and it will give you your price target. And you can see we broke right down to that price level of $1.64. Now we have had a little bit of a bounce back here. But what could happen is we see something like this. We start to hit some pretty major levels of resistance, and we roll over once again. The only thing that would invalidate that is if we were to start creating higher highs and break through our high up here at $2.42. All right, guys. But if we continue to hit resistance, if we come up to this level, you can see there's quite a bit of resistance in this level, in between about $2.04 and about $2.12. If we come up, hit resistance, then that would signify we would roll over and we come back down to that $1.64 level of support. I'll quickly put it onto the 4-hour and onto the daily, and then I'll show you guys your levels of support and resistance. So we can see here on the 4-hour chart, we've come back underneath the EMA. So it would be crucial for us to come back above. If you start seeing us hit resistance along the 20 EMA, then that will signify that we're going to continue to roll over. However, if you see us break above and the 20 EMA comes back underneath the candles on the 4-hour, that will signify we'll go up to try to take out our high at $2.42. So let's quickly pop it open to the daily. So we're here on the daily chart, guys, and if we do see that rollover and find support back here at $1.64, currently we're sitting at $1.99, you would see the 20 EMA catch back up, and hopefully we use it as support. That would be healthy to see that on the daily, because if we break too far away from the 20 EMA, you're always going to come back to it. You're always going to roll back to it. Now we do have these future price targets. If we do break our high up here at $3.85, as well as $4.59 price targets that I do believe our friend Polygon will make to quite easily along this bull run. So let's quickly pop open Ethereum, and then we'll put Polygon back onto the 1-hour and give some price targets here. So we can see here on the 4-hour chart for Ethereum, we had a double top pattern and we broke downwards. Now the charts are always going to be very similar for both Polygon and Ethereum, and you can see we broke right down to about 24.33. Now, guys, what we don't want to see is we start hitting resistance on these EMAs. If you start to see us hit resistance, then we can roll over, and we have some pretty key levels of support here for Ethereum. Let's put a little price target here. You can see how much support was in this area at about 22.39. Now, if we were to get back above the EMAs and start creating higher highs and higher lows, what we want to see is we get back above the golden ratio here, about 3,082, and then we have a pretty major level of resistance, previous level of support at about 31.94. You can see here quite a lot of support in this area. So let's pop open Matic on the 1-hour and give some short-term price predictions. So we're back here on the 1-hour, and if you see us start to hit resistance, guys, and we roll over, we have $1.64, and then we have a pretty large area of support here in this area of about $1.37 to $1.34. You can see the wicks came right down to that zone, so that's a pretty big area, a lot of support and resistance here as well, in between $1.34 and $1.37. Now you may also find support here at about $1.55. All right, guys, and then if we start creating higher highs and higher lows, you want to make sure that we break through our high here at about $2.43, and then that will signify that we'll head towards our high of $2.70. All right, guys, but keep an eye on this zone here at about $2.03, in between $2.03 and $2.12. If we start hitting major resistance there, that will be the sign that we'll roll over to our support levels down here. All right, guys, so that's it for Polygon. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, you know what to do. Smash that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications if you're new. You can follow me on Instagram, Twitter. You can check out the Discord, Patreon link in the bio, and I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.